Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is actually going to be on a pretty cool diecast. Of course, before I start off, this is not made by Mattel. I just put Mattel in the title because most cars are made by Mattel, but this is actually a factory custom made by China. Of course, we can see here that this is the Rust-eze Racing Center wrap red. Pretty cool. We'll talk about it in a minute. But yeah, I believe he is £10-ish on eBay from Chinese sellers, but he was never actually made by Mattel. He is the exact same scale as other reds, I believe, or there or thereabouts, but of course he is not made by Mattel. But anyways, I'd like to say thank you for 1,310 subscribers just because. But yeah, I will now show you where he appeared in the movie, because he did not appear in the movie. He was just an extra car that they made, I believe, a bit like Fillmore, but Fillmore was actually made in the movie, and I've got the mini one here to compare. But yeah, now let's start off this review. He's got this nice smiling expression at the front. He's got this gold foil bumper, which I really like. Gold lights. There's his horn, pretty cool. There's his eyes. On the top, he's got Rust-eze, and got the gold lights there too again. Here's the top, he's got his gold ladder, and his gold hose. I love this bread. Shame it'll never get released, most likely. Going to the side now, got his gold mirror. You can see 95 Rust-eze and a lightning bolt. Red rims, which are the same as usual. He's got gold, and there's his gold stuff there. There's his hose, all in gold. Here's the back. His license plate reads 002. Of course, gold all the back. Pretty cool. I do actually like this diecast quite a lot. Here's his gold bell. Just to show the other side. Don't usually show the other side, but it's just cool. And here's the base, of course, not made by Mattel. Just as China. But you can see how gold it actually is. But yeah, this is a factory custom, just to let you guys know. But yeah, also there's a mini release of this, which is actually genuine. So you can see here, this is made by Mattel, this one is. So you can see how accurate China was to making the factory custom. See the base here, not as gold as this one, but I do like this one. There is another Rust-eze wrap car in the name of Fillmore. You can see Rust-eze 95. Pretty cool. Recently done a video of that, so I'll show that at the end. Pretty cool. Just to compare him to the regular red now. This one seems to be more heavier. You can see there's different colours. No Rust-eze on the top. He doesn't have any speaking lines at all. And there is one decal that I think they forgot. Is that they doesn't have radiator springs, but maybe they just covered that up. Here is this miniature red, which is the inaccurate sized red, if you remember from back in the day. And the only actually other variant of red that I know that there is the road trip red, with the American flag and the trailer. Pretty cool. Surprised red hasn't actually been given more attention recently. Of course, this red is based off this Lightning McQueen, of course. The Rust-eze Racing Center Lightning McQueen. So yeah, of course, I don't aim my videos to be that long. Of course, if you like long videos, I can do this longer. But I just want to get this video out there. I know I'm not the first, because I think Astro Smokey done it first, but oh well. Anyways, if you guys are new, please make sure you leave a like for this vid. Dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below. To the next one, bye guys.